$150 trade setting. $150 trade setting. Ensure it's on cycle, and then you choose strategy mode, so bin mode, real-time settlement, and then you move to trade settings. For a $150, you have to open 14 limits, margin call limit 14, like you have it there. Leave it at whole position take profit ratio 1.1%, whole position take profit callback 0.1%. I've explained all this, I don't need to delve into it. So move on to buying callback, leave it at 0.5. I've explained all this. So position take profit callback, leave it at 0.3. Okay, the heart of the trade settings, you go to margin configuration, where we set it. So for a $150 trade settings, you reduce this to 0.7, and then the next one to 0.7, and then the next one to 0.8, and then the next one to 0.8. Okay, and then this leave it at 1.5%, this leave it at 3%. Okay, the next one should be 3.5. That's the 7th call, 3.5, the 8th call, 3.5, the 9th call, 3.5. okay, you should have 5 3.5, so we have 3 already, so 3.5 and then 3.5. that makes 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so make these at 4, leave these at 5. Okay, make that 5, and then make that 6. Okay, and then for your number of multiple buy-in ratio, how many times do you want it to buy? So buy at 1 times $10 at that price, 1 times $10 at that whatever price it is at these percentage drops. So even these guys, because I'm using 150, it's a small capital, I need to maximize it to cover enough dip and still be in trade, buying one time, and at this one it will be bigger quantities as compared to the prices from the top down to the bottom. You buy more at the top as you go, on. You buy more at the top. Okay, more than sorry, you buy more at the bottom, at the 14th call, 13th call, more than the previous ones. So with this, you have a 40% coverage. When the market drops by 35%, you are still in trade. Till 40%, you are still in trade. Okay, you are still in trade. Bitcoin, let's say for example, it drops from the current position by 40%, you are still in trade. Confirm, save, and once you save, make sure it's on cycle, and make sure it's how do you get to know it's on cycle? I told you in the previous video, please watch my previous video. It's on cycle, it's in sub-bin mode. Those are the things to check, and then you start. Boop. If you have a preset price, okay, BAT is at 1.1 and you have a feeling it's going to be at $1, okay, set it. That's first preset buy in price. It's going to buy at 1 USDT per BAT, and then you confirm. If you believe it's going to drop to that price, then you start. Poop. Confirm strategy. Poop. Then the robot is waiting to buy at $1 because you've set it at that. And if you want to cancel your first preset buy in amount, you pause the trade, and then you cancel. You leave it at this, you cancel, it wipes off, and then you start if you wanted to buy at the current market price. That's that. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Click the like button, give me a thumbs up, give me some accolade, please. Okay. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Like, share with friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, be the first to get my next video. Thank you.